I was outside licking some old sea metal when all of a sudden I saw a shrimp trapped in a hailstorm. I ran over as quickly as I could and picked up the shrimp. Her name was Tracy, and her gills were being infested by an invasive blood-sucking isopod parasite. I quickly and carefully began removing the invasive isopod from her gills. She told me she's been depressed because she hasn't been able to have babies. Well, Tracy, don't worry, because once this parasite's removed, you should be able to. I put the parasite in the compost, set Tracy free, and be sure to follow if you love ocean animals.